Hello everyone! So today I will reflect on my engagement with the subject sustainability perspective in the early years. And throughout this reflection, I will share the 5 key learnings that have significantly shaped my understanding and approach as an educational teacher. So these insights are drawn from our discussion, um, content, and also to our essential readings. So the first key learning evolves around understanding the concept of sustainability and its significance. So the central to this is our exploration with the question, what is sustainability and why does it matter? I've come to appreciate sustainability as crucial framework guiding not only the educational practices but also broadened the societal changes. So through my readings, particularly Davis and Elliott 2024, I've learned how sustainability encompasses ecological, social, and economic dimensions, which each equally vital for our planet's future. And my second insight evolves about the recognition of global and local priorities, also the frameworks and the policies. So in here, I've learned the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, or the SDGs, as discussed by Huggins and Evans 2018, which highlighted more on the interconnectedness of local actions and global outcomes. So understanding the framework is really important. Like this has underscored the importance of integrating sustainable policies into early childhood education to foster globally conscious citizens from a young age. So as you can see, we are practicing sustainability in an early childhood center, even in a simple ways. And the third learning pertains on the historical and contemporary views of sustainability in early childhood context. So during our course, particularly in our third week, I think, we examine how educational practices have evolved to embrace sustainability. And the discussions on theories such as Nedon and Petit 2024, it illuminated how sustainability education is not just a modern initiative, but also long-standing educational challenge and opportunity. So it doesn't stop here. It's a continuous educational challenge and opportunity that we should learn, and I think we should think about it on how we can apply it in our even not just in education but in our daily living. And another one is the recognizing children as an active agent. So this is my fourth key learning on this subject. So based from our readings and the case studies that we have explored, like those presented in Snedon and Petit 2024, so I've seen the profound impact of empowering children to take part in sustainable actions. So like the teaching them to proper segregation or teaching them to do recycling and repurposing is really important and can make a big impact in taking care of our environment. And lastly, the importance of concrete pedagogical practices for integrating sustainability across the curriculum. So as discussed in Huggins and Evans 2018, effective approaches include embedded sustainability into everyday activities and provocations that can stimulate curiosity and creativity. So these practices about sustainability will help us to become a naturally integrated part of educational experiences rather than in a separate topic. So overall, this subject has been an instrumental in enriching my perspective on the role of sustainability in education. And I think this will also help me on how to plan sustainable pedagogies that are critical to forming a holistic approach to education that supports not just the child but the future of our world. So looking forward to continue to apply these insights that I gained in my educational journey and beyond. Thank you.